we are going to make a gelatin mold, and we are going to spray some cooking pan, and we're going to dump this in the hot boiled water. It's a gelatin, and we're going to try and make a jello mold and put things in it that can make it explode in some water beads.
Okay, so we have 4 cups of boiling water. Be careful not to touch it. We're going to pour in 8 ounces of gelatin and stir.
I don't know how much 8 ounces is.
That's 8.
Oh, so just...
Yep, it's measured. Okay, stir that up.
It looks weird.
Is it melting? Maybe we need a whisk. Yeah.
Mom, look at the Jello. Is this how Jello usually starts?
It's actually just gelatin. All right, we're gonna try and whisk this. This might not work because jiggler recipes call for
Mom, that doesn't smell very good.
Jello and
I don't feel like I want to eat that.
No, we're not gonna eat it.
But you said that we could put... I'm not gonna. I don't. Dad can't.
So it's not stirring. It's not stirring very well.
It's not gonna.
So this may not work. Ooh.
Ew, it's not.
It definitely doesn't smell good.
No. Ew, it's like a rotten banana.
At all. Let's add some more water. Here, you hold this.
Oh, it looks very, very weird. There's little chunks of it. You can see.
All right. So we're gonna add some more water. And we're still gonna try it. So let's pick out the chunks maybe.
What are the chunks? Like, what are the chunks?
I don't think I know for sure, but something to do with pig skin?
Ew, Jello's pig skin!
I'm not sure. Hang on. Okay,
Jello's...
so we have to research that a little bit more. Okay, so let's take our pan, spray into the bowl.
This is, I think, my favorite part, just spraying into the bowl.
All right, we're gonna try and make it so that it's not sticking to the edge. Not so much. Hang on, get the edges. Go around the edges. Gosh, it smells so bad. It smells so bad. We definitely didn't use the amounts that were listed. So.
Mommy, did I get Pam on me?
Okay, back up so it doesn't splash. This was boiling water here. Gosh, it smells. And it's
I'm never gonna taste that.
It's not clear, which we thought maybe it would be. Okay, it says gelatin is a protein that is obtained by boiling skin, tendons, ligaments, and or bones with water, usually obtained from cows or pigs.
What does that mean?
There is gelatin in Jello.
So we eat skin and bones?
Okay. It says gelatin is in most gelatin desserts, such as gummy candies and marshmallows and Jello.
Marshmallows? I'm not gonna eat marshmallows anymore.
And gummy candies.
And no more.
In 2019, it says there are gelatins that are made from plants and they boil fruits. Is that better? You love fruit. Guys, this is supposed to be clear, or we were hoping it was. Why is this yellow and smelly?
Please look it up if you can, because we have no idea why.
What is wrong with this? Okay guys, look at, this is my whisk now, and it won't come out.
So we will have to return it and get a new one.
I don't think we can return it. Madeline said it looks like apples, so it must be made from fruit, right?
Mm-hmm. It looks like really yucky things from inside of not a raw cooked apple pie from the inside.
Okay, guys, it still smells pretty bad. Take a big... It still looks really yellow.
We're trying it again because you might not want to make that kind, and this is what it looks like.
I think we just put way too much in. We're going to try it again. We're actually going to just put 1 ounce of gelatin to 4 boiling cups of water. The last time we put 8 ounces of gelatin in there.
And it was not good. It was really stinky, so do not do 8 ounces of gelatin, but it might still stink with this. But this looks like sugar.
Do you want to taste it?
Oh!
Okay, we're going to pour 1 ounce of gelatin in. Oh, here. Oh, it's really full.
It's still chunky.
It is still chunky.
But it's
Better?
tiny.
Don't get too close.
Ew, it still stinks. Smell it, Mom.
I do smell it. This smells horrible. I don't think we're doing it right.
Ew.
Although it's mixing better.
But it's falling off the pan, and now it's gonna go in those, and then it's gonna make everything.
Alright, well, this isn't melting either.
Maybe you should put even hotter water.
Well, it was boiling. Alright, so we're gonna pick out these nasty chunks again.
Whatever they are.
The apples. Oh wait, we don't want them in there. Oh, okay, here. Alright, we're gonna, oh, spray the pan for me, please. Alright, Madeline's gonna spray us with Pam.
Again.
Alright, and we're gonna pour this in. Here, can you take this? Move your hand back. And then these are both going to go in the fridge through the night. This one's at least clear. Okay, alright, we will see you guys in the morning.